In this video, I will show you how to turn on disappearing messages on Viber. So you can do it two ways. One, enabling it in a single chat. To do that, simply open up Viber, then go to the chat where you want to turn on disappearing mode. Then click on this three dotted line menu bar in the top right corner. Then click on disappearing messages. From here, you can simply choose the time and then the disappearing message mode will be turned on. Now to enable it for all new chats, simply open up your Viber, then click on this more icon in the bottom right corner, then go to settings, click on privacy. Here you can find disappearing message by default, click on it. From here, simply choose the time. After that, all of the new messages or new chats will have disappearing mode turned on by default. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.